I'm your fairy godmother, honey.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another foot video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I already did my application process. I am going to be uploading a video with the application process on my other foot. But I'm just putting this cute nude color. It's called Sea Swim Sink or something like that from Nail Reserve, and I just put a very light coat of that on my feet, and I went ahead and cured that in the lamp. Next, I'm going in with Royal Nude for my French tip. um I'm also going in with a dark brown, a chocolatey brown, and a red. I'm doing a cute cheetah print set today. So this is actually something new. I've never ever done any like real designs on my feet before, and I really want to start doing that. So I am just gonna be uploading different nail designs you guys can do at home. This nail design was super easy. I would say the only hard part was probably the French tips. Like the hardest part is always the French tip part. Um, I can do French tips beautifully on my nails, but when it comes to my feet, I do struggle sometimes still. So, yeah, how you can do a nice French tip on your feet, you want to go ahead and do the free edge first, which is the end of the nail, and do a line right across, and then do like a small little triangle on the curve, like on the corner of each nail and meet them in the middle and round it out like that. Hopefully that makes sense. But I will go ahead and do like a video of in-depth French tip on my feet because I always speed up or clip out certain parts, and I know some people do have a harder time doing French tips on their feet, so I will do a tutorial for that. I went ahead and made one of my toenails red. That red toenail is actually going to have red rhinestones on it. So, next I'm just doing the cheetah print. And I got this little pen from Temu, and I really love it because I don't have to keep swapping out my dotting tools. I have three different size dotting tools inside of this little pen, and it's kind of like the main ones that you need. So, yeah. Um I'm just taking that darker brown and I'm making the little outside parts of the cheetah print, which is basically like two C's going each way toward like inward towards each other. And I'm just gonna do that for all of the nails that I did French tips on. You want to try to make them with a small little space in the middle so that you can put whatever color you're going to put in the inside. I am personally going to put that lighter brown. And I'm lying, you guys. I'm so lying. The color that I'm using for the cheetah print is actually black, and the brown was for the middle. That dark brown, though, it was really, really dark. So I did go in with the lighter chocolatey brown that you guys see above that one for the middle part. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel, and please share this video to someone who might like it. So for the ghost face, I don't know if you guys seen my most recent short, but I did do a ghost face um tutorial on my toes as well. I did not record a like full length video for YouTube, but I did record a full length video for TikTok because I can put it on TikTok in the longer version, the way that the shorts is. I think that's landscape. Um or it might be portrait. I'm not sure, you guys. The longer way, the way that you guys view the shorts and TikToks and all of that and reels. I have a longer version like that, and it's on my TikTok. So please follow my TikTok. I will put it down in the description below. Because I do want to start going live on TikTok. I feel like TikTok live is just so much more like um it doesn't have that many rules and all of that stuff. Like I can play music. YouTube is a little bit more strict. So for those lives, like I did want to go live on YouTube, but I just don't want to get demonetized or anything on my channel. So that's why I'm trying to get everybody to get to my TikTok so that I can start going live and doing sets live with you guys talking to me, and I'm talking to you guys and we just vibing out. So yeah, that's my goal for the end of this year. I want to reach 1,000 followers on my TikTok. So please follow me so that I can be able to do that, because I would love to really talk to you guys in real time. And sometimes YouTube just, they're cock blockers, seriously. To just put it in as short, as sweet as possible. They literally cock block on every single thing that you want to do. Like it's just very bad. And even like with the profanity or anything like that, like I have to really watch what I say. And I won't lie to you guys, I am a potty mouth and I do cuss a lot. And sometimes like when I'm doing my voiceovers, I have to redo my whole entire voiceover because I said a cuss word or something. um because if not, then they're going to demonetize me, and we don't want that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on to TikTok, you guys. This is gonna be a very short video. I've already finished the design, so now I'm just getting my little cherry for this, for my big toe. And then before doing that, I'm just using that red that I got from Nail Reserve. I will link down below. I know I say that and I'll never link them down because I always be so lazy, but I will go ahead and link down below what each color is. This specific color is called Goddess, and I love this color. Like, I really want to do like a full red set, but I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I know for a fact that my Christmas sets are finna eat down this year. I have so many sets that I'm trying to do that I've already been kind of doing like sketches on and stuff like that. Halloween though, this season is finna get real spooky, y'all. Like I'm feeling Halloween season this year. Like last year I didn't really do much for Halloween season, but oh, this year, yeah, Ghostface is getting a grand appearance a lot on this channel. Also I want to do Jack Skeleton. I also wanted to do Nightmare Before Christmas. It's so many different character sets I did. I don't know if you guys caught the Coraline set that's on my nails, but I did do a full length video for that, and I will go ahead and link down. I mean, edit that and upload that process because that was a long process. These nails took me like 8 hours, and I love them so much that I needed to put them on my hands because no way was I finna do that set for 8 hours and just put them in a box somewhere. If somebody wanted to buy them, then I obviously will make a brand new set. And um I think I want to redo this set though on a square set. A square set, I want to see what it's going to look like on a long square set. So I think I might just redo the whole entire thing and do it on a square set. But I am still going to post this one. Also, I don't know if you guys caught that, but I did put a whole lot of top coat on my big toe. So for in order for me to clean that up, I went ahead and grabbed some alcohol, or you can use acetone and a brush and just clean up that part really, really good so that it won't flood into your cuticle area. Once it does that, it causes lifting. So that's why you want to make sure that it's really, really clean before curing in the lamp. I went ahead and put some rhinestone glue and top coat, which you guys probably did not see. I did put top coat underneath this to make sure they were secure, but I do put a layer of rhinestone glue first and then top coat it before curing in the lamp. That's when I put my rhinestones and then I cure in the lamp. So I'm flash curing right now, and then I'm just gonna add a few more rhinestones. And get this, you guys, I am starting to do I'm starting to use peel off base coat, so I don't have to file this set off. I can just peel it right off. So you guys will be catching another set from me probably next week. I'm gonna try to do my feet every single week just so that we can get these cute designs out. People been asking for like videos like nail designs on your feet that's not French tip, white French tip, boring white nails. So we stepping out of our comfort zone this year, you guys. Let's go ahead and get some cute prints on our toes, some rhinestones, whatever. Like, let's go ahead and you guys can send me videos or like pictures or anything of something that you guys want me to recreate. My Instagram handle it's still Shay Nailed It, but I also made another one that's underneath this handle. But I think that I'm gonna migrate to the new handle. So whichever one, I still have access to Shay Nailed It. So you guys can send me whatever you want. This is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.